Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past several days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different to you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the big question that remains going forward, as I've talked about in past videos, is all about that green line right there at 7,100. So the first question you need to ask yourself, and let's just use that 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. But question number one, just simply, where's the price at relative to 7,100? So far, so good. The price has been doing a good job of holding up above it, even since the last video I did. But that still remains the focal point here from a support side of things. So if you are answering the question, well, Clay, yeah, it's 15 hours from now and the price is still up above 7,100, that's a good sign that at least as of the moment you're watching this sideways consolidation and this attempted bottoming out phase is still in play. So if you are answering the question that the price up above there, the next question you'd want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,500, which is that overall resistance up there? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is up above that point, well, that would be telling you that not only has the price bottomed out, but it's shown a whole lot of strength to be able to get up above that area. I'd be pretty shocked if you were answering the question that the price is above 7,500, but I suppose you never know. But those would be the next, or the couple of questions to ask, assuming that the price remains above 7,100. Now, on the flip side of things, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, I'm watching this 15 hours from now and the price is down below 7,100. At that point, let's squeeze down the chart here a little bit. You would want to immediately go and ask yourself about this secondary level of support, which is down there at 6,800. So the question would then be, okay, well, where's the price at now relative to 6,800? I'd be shocked if you were answering the question that the price was down below 6,800. But if it was, then that would imply that not only was this not the bottom, but that the price continued on down and then built up that much more strength to get down to that area. So it's really a question of, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 7,100, well, how far below 7,100? And the further down below 7,100 you're answering that question, that just would represent the more and more strength that the bears are displaying. So keep an eye on those levels. Now, you could be answering that the price is just simply between these two levels here, and at that point, consolidation would be the best term to summarize the price movement at that junction in time. But as of right now, keep an eye on those levels, walk yourself through those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant for as long as possible. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.